Now, for our teenpreneur, third teenpreneur who's going to present, he is undoubtedly the most energetic teenpreneur of all. And you will see that why I'm using that word. To introduce him, I invite Coach Amit. Coach Amit, all to you.
Thanks a lot, Nitesh. So, uh, the next teenpreneur who is representing this pitching, he has already created a lot of hype about his name and his importance around the world. So he is an energetic teenpreneur from Dadar, Mumbai. He learned swimming at the age of 3.5 years, and he has represented open swimming, which is sea swimming, at the age of 10.
Wow.
Without taking much time, let me introduce you a 12-year teenpreneur, Advait Mote, who will surprise you all with his project pitch. Advait, over to you.
So good evening to everybody. My name is Advait Vishwas Mote and uh, welcome to you all. So let's start the pitch. How the idea of making this project came to my mind first of all. So I will start with a story. So, day before Ganpati, I realized that I hadn't taken new clothes for Ganpati festival. I thought why. Then, in my mind, there came my idea. Why can't I order it online? But it was not a permanent solution because they weren't giving the same day delivery. I cried mild. Because after all, Ganpati is my favorite festival. Then, after some time, I stopped crying. And an amazing idea popped off of my mind. Why couldn't be there a fashion clothing site that would give you a delivery the same day you order? Isn't that great? And I also missed going with my mother to Dadar market and settling for less with a shopkeeper. So I added something more. You will get a bargain chat in that you can chat with us and settle for less. So without wasting any time, let me present to you my own firm. Fashion Bidu. Well, hello there. My name is Advait Vishwas Mote. I am from Balmuham Vidyamandira Standard 7. My core values are respect, respect, adventure, creativity, and passion. The wow factor in Fashion Bidu. So, I will tell you detailed information about us. So, first of all, we give you the same day delivery you order, irrespective of you order at 7 p.m. or in the morning 12 a.m. And the second thing is we allow you to bargain in our bargain chat, in that you can bargain for and settle for less for premium brands clothes. Isn't that amazing? Do you want something extra? I've got it for you. You must be wondering, why am I showing you a person holding a stab and clicking a photo using AR? Means augmented reality. We are going to make a software using AI technologies that will enable the customer to feel the texture and the quality of the cloth on the mobile screen itself. Isn't that great? So, good things are deserved to be waited. So, it's coming soon. Support. So, you can support me, then you can connect me on LinkedIn, or you can tell in your network to 5 people about my project, Passion Bidu, and they will get a welcome bonus 20% off coupons. Isn't that amazing? Are you excited for my upcoming project?
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks for making time for me.
Advait, you can see the smile on all the ladies in the today's session after your pitch. They are just got widened.
The men
Very
also
well
getting
spoken this
premium
time.
products, getting premium products on discount, huh?
Now, what I really like about you can bargain, no? So I think,
That is the ladies department. We
there you go, sir.
Super, Advait. Amazing. So Advait, great voice modulation. It was never ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि project pitch सुन रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी TV का show सुन रहा है. Great expressions, amazing showmanship, and most important, which is the most difficult thing for all entrepreneurs, is great selling. See, as an entrepreneur ना सबसे important है अपने product को खुद से अच्छा बोलना, खुद से sell करना. And you have done at least 4 to 5 times during your 7-minute pitch. Amazing, Advait. So I would like to hear from Advait's parent, Vishwas and Sonali. How was your experience throughout the pitch?
Yeah, definitely. We are happy to see him with a confident show. Let's expect something more from him with some tie-up with the vendors and all.
Sure. So very soon we'll be starting with the project.
Yeah,
Sonali, how was your experience?
Throughout his mock and preparation, he has kept it so secret, everything. And he was like, no, it is going to be surprise for you. Just don't listen to me. So he has just told me that while I'm using your mobile to send the mock videos to sir, you just please do not listen. Then I have not listened any of them. I'm really super happy with the confidence, the presentation skills, and the expressions Advait has shown today. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Team Edify. Thank you, Amit sir.
Thank you all.
Can I